Hello friends, I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, when we're talking with each other, at that time we use some words like noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunctions. But at that time we don't know whether they are nouns, pronouns, or adjective. Just we are using it in our fluency. So today in this video, in this class, I want to share you one great knowledge about the usage of demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. These four pronouns that we call demonstrative pronoun and how we use in our communication. So I want tell you more about them, how we can use it broadly and what are the uses of them. So that all we are learning in today's video, in today's class. Friends, this is the singular demonstrative pronoun and that is the singular demonstrative pronoun. So let's we see what is the difference between them in this and in that. This demonstrative pronoun is used for showing nearer thing, close thing, and that this demonstrative pronoun we used for showing the thing which is far from the place or the thing which is far from the speaker. So we used for telling that these, it is the plural form of the this pronoun. These is the plural form of this pronoun. Those is the plural form of that pronoun. So this is showing nearer thing, that is showing uh, the thing which is not nearer. Okay, the thing is it is away from speaker, so it is showed that. Then these and those, they are also played same role like this and that. Let's we see some examples, and through the examples we can understand it very well. The first example is about the this demonstrative pronoun. This is a ball. It means the ball is near to me. So I can say this is the ball. That is the ball. It means the ball is not near to me. The ball is away from me. Okay, so that I can say that is the ball. These are the balls. It means so many balls are near to me. That time I can say these are the balls. Those are the balls. It means there are so many balls, but they are not nearer to me. They are far from me. They are away from me. So at that time, we have to use those word. It means those demonstrative pronoun that we have to use. So this that we used for nearer thing. This is a ball. That is used for showing far from the thing. That is we call that demonstrative pronoun. These and those, these are same played role like this and that. Let's see some more example. This is cat. It means the cat is near to me and I'm introducing to the cat. This is the cat. Now that is a cat. It means the cat is away from me and I'm telling you about that cat. That is the cat. These are cats. It means here are so many cats near me and I won't say that here are cats. Okay, those are cats. It means so many cats are there which is not near to me, which are away from me. So I used those. This is the singular demonstrative pronoun. These is the plural demonstrative pronoun. That is the single demonstrative pronoun. Those is the plural demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Whenever we use this, at that time we have to use is. Okay, like This is a room. Okay, this is a room. That is a room. Because these two words are in single form, singular pronoun. These are the rooms. It means so many rooms are there. So these, it is the plural pronoun, and with the plural pronoun we have to use our word with plural nouns. Rooms, not a room. Okay, with the rooms we have to use it. Now those are rooms. Okay, these are rooms, those are rooms. There are so many rooms which are not nearer to the speaker. Okay, and those is, it is the plural form of the that word, that pronoun. Those, it is the plural form, and we have to use plural verb are, not is. We have to use are. Then we have to use plural form of the noun or the subject which we used in object. Okay, those are the rooms. Okay, now if we want to use these four words, this, that, these and those, we want to use it in past tense, then we can use like this. This was a cat. This was a cat. That was a ball. These were the cats. These were the cats. Those were the cats. Okay, so this is the explanation of past tense. Now friends, we are learning about the demonstrative pronouns and four important pronouns: this, that, these and those, that we used it every time in our communication. Keep it in your mind, whenever we use singular pronoun, singular demonstrative pronoun, at that time we have to use is. It means is verb singular form. Then we have to use a single thing. It is showing a single thing. This is a pen. It means there is only one pen. These are pens. These are pens. It means here are so many pens. That is a pen. It means there is only one pen. Those are pens. It means there are so many pens. Okay, this is a shirt. It means here is only one shirt which is near to me. These are shirts. It means here are so many shirts which are nearer to me. Those are shirts. It means there are so many shirts which is not near to me. That is shirt. It means the shirt is away from me, and it is a single. It is one. Now let's see one more example. This is a laptop. It means the laptop is nearer to me, and that's why I call this is a laptop. That is a laptop. It means the laptop is not nearer to me. It is far from me, and I'm using to show it that. These are laptops. It means so many laptops are here which are nearer to me, and I call it for these are the laptops. Those are the laptops. It means there are so many laptops which are not nearer to me, which are very far from the speaker. Okay, it is not actually me, the speaker. Though there are so many laptops which are not nearer to the speaker. Now these are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. We used this, that, these and those. Every time whenever we use these four pronouns in our communication, so please use it correctly because of your great communication, because of your communication will be great and beautiful. So use it correctly. I hope I clear my point here well. If you have come any difficulty, any problem, then please comment me in the comment box. If you like my video, then please subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time.